Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a sort of room tour of my dorm apartment. I don't really know what to call it because it's basically a hostel, but I'm not staying in a school dorm and it functions a little more like an apartment. But I'm moving out in 2 days to move into an actual dorm room, so I wanted to sort of give you guys a little overview of where I've been living for the past few months. It's very cute. I have a great view and it's a very quaint little space. Let's go. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. The door is right behind me, and then I have my light switches and AC to the side, and then over here I have my shoe boxes. So I just have all my different shoes in here. Notice how they're all platforms, so they barely fit in here. Anyways, and then like my slippers and then the shoes I wore that day or whatever, I just keep down there. Usually there's a lot more on the ground, but I put them away for the sake of the video. Up here I just put random stuff. It's sort of like a catch-all, but this is just a gift I have to give to my host family. This is an eco bag that my friend got. And then moving to the left, we have this mirror and bag hook combo. So this area around the mirror has looked very different depending on the time of semester. A lot of posters fell down, so I stopped. It used to be a much bigger like collage wall, but things kept falling down, so I limited to just a few things. But here I have an eyelet poster, I have P1 Harmony, I have some postcards from travels around Korea, I have like photo strips with friends, and obviously I have this cute little Miffy. This mirror is awesome. And then I like how there are only two characters here. So we have Miffy, again, and then we have my two skull pandas. So this one's the plush and this one's just a figurine that I got at Pop Mart here, and I keep my extra pair of sunglasses here. And then below that I have on my bags on these hooks here, so they're all just kind of random. The ones I used last are like these two are the most recently used. There's there. And then on this carabiner I have just like all my keychains that I can add to my bags, especially because I have a lot of like bigger keychains. So like these are eco bags as well. My windbreaker goes inside of this one. So yeah, I just have all of those there. I have my hat, but yeah, most of this is just bags and stuff for easy access. To the left of that, I have my little shelf area. So this unit here, the closet, vanity, shelf, fridge thing, is all one unit. But up here I put little keepsakes on these two shelves. So this poster I got in Japan. I have a P1 Harmony album. I have some badges I got at Pride, as well as this hanbok that a host family member crocheted for me. And then down here I have some more figurines. So I have my Hironos over here, so cute. I have Miffy, this little like tangerine Miffy that I got in 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐢. I have this caricature of me and my friend, and then my eyelid album's there. And beyond that, I just have little things like this shell that I got in 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐢, this cap from a bottle that was for a Korean soccer player, and just that sort of little thing. And then below that I have my matcha mug. This one I made myself. This one came with the dorm room. And then here's my like chawan in chase. And then inside of this is just my fridge. There's not much inside of my fridge, but on the outside I do have a few magnets that I've collected from my travels. This is from Gyeongju. This is also from Gyeongju. This was from Kyoto, and this is from Seoul. And this one I got in Busan. So yeah, I've just been collecting stuff. And then yeah, not much in here. But yeah, it's hidden away in this little cabinet. And then if we move to the left over here, we have the closet space. For the clothes that are hung up, on the left side I have just my sort of thinner stuff. On the right side I have longer dresses and hoodies and just sort of thicker stuff. On the left side below my clothes I have all my denim / jeans there, as well as some extra towels. And below that here I have like more athleisure type sweatpants, and then thicker sweatpants for comfort. Down there I have pajamas, and then long skirts like maxi skirts. And then beneath my heavier wear I have these are just gifts for friends and family that I'm keeping in there to separate them off. Down here on the left side right here, that is baby tees and normal t-shirts, and then below that I just keep all my food and that sort of thing. And then these two drawers, this one keeps all my skirts on this side, and then I just threw everything else that's like tops on this side. And then this is just like socks, underwear, accessories, that sort of thing. And yes, if we move to the left of that, we have the vanity, and this is where I usually get ready in the morning, do my makeup and whatever. So on the left side, This bag is just like daily use stuff. This is hair stuff in the back, makeup here, makeup brushes. On the right side, I have the stuff to clean my piercings, this dish that I actually made. Let me see. It's kind of hard to see, but it's supposed to be a rabbit in the moon. But yeah, just like my daily jewelry and stuff I keep there. I have a 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐤 lip mask, perfume, setting spray, that sort of thing that I use on the daily that's more concerned with makeup. And then below that, over here on the left side, I just keep sort of miscellaneous, like masks, there's extra tissues, and then the pink pouch is my travel jewelry pouch, so the stuff, everything else is pretty much in that dish, but anything I haven't been reaching for on the daily has been in there. And then below that, these two bags are just varying kinds of trash, because in Korea you sort trash very meticulously. And then the crumpled Miffy bag is where my dirty laundry is, so I just let it sit there. And then to the left of my vanity is my window, so I have a beautiful view, and this window opens out so I can see all of this. And my favorite thing about this is that I have a view of Namsan Tower, which is a very iconic Seoul view, and the sun sets right in that direction, so on days when the sun is beautiful I can see right out there. I love to just come out here at night and stare and just like people watching, because you can see so much. It's really great to people watch from here. On the right side I have this little incense holder. It smells really good, and the case is also very cutely decorated. So yeah, it's sort of this iridescent colorful one. I just keep that here. And that's pretty much it. I don't really keep anything else on my windowsill. The left, I have my desk area. So here, I just, depending on what I'm up to, my desk can get really messy, but right now, because I cleaned it, I just have my computer and then some drinks. Under the desk, I have a trash can. Then behind that, that paper bag keeps all my extra bags for like trash bags or paper bags that I can use later on. To the left of that, we have this shelf that's actually attached to the bed frame. So here I have all my books, so it's a combination of journals, some Korean books, Japanese books. There's just a lot going on here, but yeah, I have a whole lot of stuff collected there. I have tissues, and then these are both pencil cases. The one on top is the one I take around with me every day, and then stuff under that is just extra stuff. And then this massive plastic bag has all my stickers and journaling supplies for bullet journaling and scrapbooking and that kind of thing. And then I just have all my folders with papers and stuff below. And then I just threw all my tech stuff down here in a pile. So yeah, it looks kind of messy, but everything's right there, so that's all right. And then on top, I just keep my bonnet for when I'm sleeping, and then I have my phone because it charges. There's a plug right there in the bed frame. And then I have this little lamp, which is very cute and very warm lighting, very cozy at night. And this is one of my favorite purchases. So Korea has all these photo booths, right? And I got a sort of display for them, because otherwise they'd be hidden away in one of my folders and I wouldn't look at them that much. But this way I can put my friends up and flip through them and change it up once in a while, so I have different pictures up. On the other side of the bed there's a sort of like circle, which actually works out really perfectly because I can grab the tissues from this side too. And then right there's the switch for that lamp, as well as where I keep my phone charging. And there's nothing much to the bed. It's just plain white sheets. I didn't bother buying any plushies or anything because I didn't want to bring them back. Under the bed, I'm in the process of packing actually, because I leave in a few days, but I just keep like my suitcases, all that extra sort of stuff that I'm storing away, that is all there. And then to the left of the bed is the bathroom, and on top of the bathroom door I have this 𝐬𝐤 towel that I got for free at my school because 𝐬𝐤 came to our school to perform. The bathroom has a toilet and then also a shower sink combination here. On the right side I have my towels hanging up. That's a hair dryer. This little towel on the left I used to wipe my face, and then I have my hair cap there. And then inside of this cabinet I keep all my toiletries and stuff like that. So the top shelf has feminine products and like laundry and wet wipes. The second one has colored contacts on the left, as well as this 𝐬𝐨𝐜𝐤 bag that just has a bunch of stuff I don't use on the daily, like face masks and stuff. And then I have some like cold medicine and whatnot on the right side. And then my skincare is on the bottom shelf here. Below the cabinet is just my toilet, and then I have the shower curtain here. The way that Korean showers work is that the shower is attached to the sink, and you pull this lever here to control whether it comes out of the sink or the shower head. Yeah, here I just keep my toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and then there's this little shelf in the back here where I have my cleansers, as well as like a shampoo specifically for my hair dye, hair treatment, that sort of thing. So yeah, it's very small, but it does the job. And I also keep just shower slippers in there since it gets wet very easily. So yeah, that is the shower room. And then that brings us back to the front. So very small space. There isn't a ton going on, but it's very cute. It's very nice. The kitchen is a shared space, so I don't have a kitchen attached to my room or anything, but there's kitchens throughout the building where we can go and cook if we want to. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. It's a very short one since the room is pretty small and I don't have as many decorations up because we're not allowed to like put anything up on the walls, so I use a little washi tape to put some stuff up. Beyond that, I haven't really done much with it, which if you've seen my other room tours, you know my room is usually a lot more decorated than that. Now I actually have to start packing everything up since I'm moving into my 𝐬𝐤 dorm room in 2 days. Yes, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys soon.